Okay, Ricardo is going to show you how to level out the doors on a refrigerator. Okay, ready, go.
Alright, first of all, in the manual for the refrigerator, you're always going to have this packet here. It's going to have instructions on how to keep your doors even. And it's also going to include this key right here. I don't use this key because it's a little harder. So what I'm going to use is this pair of pliers that everybody got in their cleaning bag. So as you guys can see, the door on the right hand side is a little higher than the one on the left. So like on the instructions it tells you, you can adjust the nut in the door hinge to adjust the height counterclockwise to raise or clockwise to lower the height. So we're going to start working on this one. You want to pull your bins off because you're going to be picking up the door and they're going to be on the way and you might drop them and break them. So we're going to try and pick this one up right here. There's that nut right there. And you're going to grab your pliers and you're going to turn this one and try and pick it up. Okay, let's see how much we got picked up right there. So we still got a little more to go. We can also try and adjust the other one to bring it down. You can work with both doors. You want to pick up on this side like this. It's not easy, but let's see if this drops. No, it's way high. Okay, and looks like we got it.